Hi, Liam.
Hi. Now I'm going to show you this truck. It's called the Trailer Rocket Launcher Rooster Rocket Booster.
So it's trailer rocket booster. Trailer locker what now?
Booster. I don't know how to say it again.
Okay, so what you're saying is it's a trailer rocket booster. Machine trailer. Okay.
So I'm going to show you what it has. Yeah, this is its satellite. Let me see this way when it's very close. This is its satellite. That actually it's a mini plane that targets targets. Oh yeah, this guy's sees here as well. It's called Mini Boost. And here's the mini transport. He actually counts the satellites.
Okay.
These two little guys, won't be able to see them very far, are the crew members.
Yeah.
Bunny and Spider.
Okay.
Now I'm going to bring the truck.
The normal animals.
Like this. This is, yeah, here's this.
Is the
Machine.
yeah.
Oh yeah, wait, it doesn't go up because it goes, you just click that. Click that. Don't click it, okay? It can go, whenever the rocket's not there, they will go back.
What does this do?
Those two are just this is the solar panel.
Okay.
Man, I want to show you this little device. It's a mini gun.
Minigun.
Yes, it's the type. Yeah, he's this rover.
Okay.
This rover HQ.
Okay. And what is this?
Oh yeah, that's what they used to fill up the rocket. This rocket is actually used to launch in space.
Okay.
This is the M107 satellite.
Okay.
This is very useful. But yeah, this is a mini generator. I forgot that. The generator. I'll show you where it goes. Right over there. There. It's the generator.
Okay.
First off, guess what? This trailer is not just fully connected. It is actually attached to the machine itself. I just keep that down, okay? It goes down and there's no machine.
Okay, so
That's
this is
truck.
the machine.
He pulls it. And see this little tow bar? I'll show you. Here's the tow bar. There's that. Oh yeah, I'll show you what this is actually. This is where the driver, Bunny is the driver of this machine.
Okay, and this is the
Trailer.
yeah,
Oh yeah, guess what that is? This is just part of it. This is the little device. This is to call the crew. That's at the front. Yeah. And this is the tow bar. This is actually what I use. The trailer. I'll show you where it goes. Right here, all the way clicked close to the very right next to the axle. These, you see these lumps over here?
Yeah.
The three lumps, those are kept there because they need to float. It's a floater.
Anything else?
I want to show you how it launches the rocket. First, attach. We first need to quickly come to the launch side, okay? Long. Actually, they're calling his brother. He's coming here to launch. The first one, he's the same, right? His brother was just actually there. It's just to show how actually it is. He is going to launch the rocket.
Okay.
This is the M047B rocket. Actually, what he's carrying. First, he lifts it up.
Okay.
You see, he's still refilling. So, whenever they're there, they always have to do checkups.
Okay.
Just checking. They always need to make sure this needle's nice and tight.
Okay.
Just screwing it.
Think it's nice and tight. Why don't we
Launch it.
launch?
First, you need to click a button. This is the.
What about the fuel? Isn't that supposed to move?
No, it needs this mini device to click. Click. The truck always needs to go away from the launching trailer. This also
Why?
so that it can be safe.
Okay.
So that it doesn't get burned. He hates getting burned.
Mm-hmm.
Last time he went to launch something until he got burned very badly. Just looking for a pad. Here. I use this little bad boy. It's called a stabilizer.
Okay.
Wait, you need something? Yeah, I also have to keep one extra so that it can reach its final height. There.
Now,
We need a
now
button.
put it to launch.
We need to make it. He always uses a lever. It always has to stay far from the launch site.
Okay.
And
Blast off.
wait, and lift off. Can you see this part was actually fixed on? And flies all over the place. And next, the satellite, which is the N047. Now, actually, it's now busted out. Not like 1 minute. I wrote it. I went to activate it.
So, this is what fuels the rocket, and this is what.
You see that big tank over there?
Yeah.
That's its fuel tank.
Whoops. Broken.
All this stuff fell because the rocket's not in use. And that was satellite to give data.
Wow, you just now launched a satellite, Leon.
Yeah, I did. Train. Now it's time for him to go home. Did you know he lands like a plane?
What? Okay.
He lands like a plane. He's a space radar.
Okay.
Now, all they need to do, after that, now we bring
Okay.
a rocket.
Okay.
We have to rebuild one. I'll show you. I now need to show you quickly how to make a rocket again. Let's just detach that. This is very easy. Luckily, you didn't want pieces.
Okay.
But at the tip, now add it onto that. Add that. Lower it down. Add that. That. Which is the wrench. The wrench. This. And don't forget this as well. Satellite pieces as well. Just 1 minute, please. Be quickly. Don't come yet, sir. 1 minute. Do wait there. Just add the needle on there. Put that. Machine gun. Actually, he's actually military. Actually, this is a military. And the satellite sits right in this.
Just lift up this and we can get the satellite on.
First things first, we can't just leave the fell down.
Yeah, that's fine.
There you go. Now that's all
Okay,
done.
now we just need to connect him.
Wait, the feet. Don't forget the feet. He goes right over
On the hind.
on the back. Now we need to.
Let's hook up the trailer.
No, we just need. We also need to put in the tip. Hold on. Now, what you need to do is back up the truck, put it in mini position, hook up the trailer. Then it gets off, goes back on. This.
Spider?
Spider, he hops on too. Basically only this side. And he does have to do it. Now, bye bye. give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell if you want to see more.
Of these amazing vehicles.
Yes. And so long.